Good afternoon, madam and all my friends. I'm DJ from Group 10. Today our group are going to present about the high fidelity prototype. Okay, first, this is the login page of HomeChef Olala apps. From the login page, it can be logged in with email as username as password. HomeChef can be logged in with Google and Facebook account. There is also a new user button for first time signing out. Below new user, there is a forgot password button for users who forgotten on their password. Next, this is Facebook login page for users who like to log in with their Facebook account. And this Google login page for users who like to log in with their Google account. Next, this is interface for new user registration. New user is required to fill out their full name, email, password, retype password, phone number. Then, after agree on TNC, the registration is done. On forgot password page, the user have to enter their email, press send, and it will send new password to email. After login to the HomeChef Olala, there are 5 buttons at below bar, which are Home, Message, Payment, Add to Cart, and Account. Furthermore, from the interface, there are 3 categories for users to choose, which are most popular cuisine type and popular chef. Despite that, there is a search bar as above. When pressed on user account button, username is shown and there button can be accessed to profile, address, my favorite, all orders, payment methods, help center, setting, term and condition, privacy, and logout. Next is the address page. Address can be used for editing address by confirming it. User have to retype one address and set it. Next, after user have saved their address, this page will show that addresses is successfully saved under the app. Next is profile page. Profile can be used for editing profile picture, name, email, and password and save it after edit. Next, this page will show when profile information is set successfully. On favorite page, user can save their favorite cuisine into this app. On popular chef list, there are lists of chefs that is readily to be chosen. For example, Chef Jasper K. When pressing into his portal, every personal information and his location will be shown on About page. On Dishes page, is shown the most popular dishes. Next is chat function. User can chat chef who they choose to ask questions. On dishes detail, we located right down corner. It will show the dish description and price, and there is a add to cart button at down below. Same with chef list, there will be various categories of cuisine for user on cuisine list. Take beverage category as example. After clicking in, user can view variety of beverage choices on the page together with a search bar on top. Next, user can view their chat history by pressing in chat button at home page. Other than clicking in those 3 categories, user can search their wishes on searching bar. For example, nasi lemak, and result will be shown instantly. After adding to cart, user can view their choices on cart, and the page will show with total amount and quantity that user has chosen. Whenever user wish to complete their order, there is a payment button on page below. Next is booking form for every customer. This form is necessary to be met for drivers' convenience in delivering. During making payment, user has to choose their payment type among 3, which are debit or credit card, cash on delivery, or online banking. In this page, total cost will be breakdown detailed with shipping cost. When user agree on payment method, there is place order button at the page below. After successfully placing order, the page will be direct to order summary with every detail of user order and pricing details. When user check on the order summary, user can confirm order on button located at page below. This page will notify when payment is successfully made. Then user can track live location of their order on live location map together with ETA and driver message and phone number. Next, this page will notify when user order is successfully purchased. That's all from our group. Thank you.